Why does my head look so big compared to yours? Because I'm sitting in front of you like this. That makes my head look big.
Makes you look
big. Now your head's big.
I already have a big head.
That's true.
Thanks.
Big white head. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am accompanied by my lovely child. This is Xavian. If you guys are new to my channel, you've never really seen her before, here she is,
yes,
my child. If you guys have followed me on my other channel, then you know her very, very well. She was on several of my videos acting a fool.
I am her spy.
Anyway, tonight we're gonna go ahead and do a like school appropriate, age appropriate makeup. So we are going to go ahead and doll her up minimally.
Doll me up.
We're just gonna go ahead and, you know, jazz her up a little bit. So yeah, if you guys want to see me, you know, messing with her face, then stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with a little bit of shimmer. I wanna give her skin a nice pretty glow before we put the super matte foundation on. So I'm gonna go in with this lightening cream. It's sort of, you know, like a liquid highlighter. And it's a pinky color. And like I said, we're gonna be using a really super drying foundation. So I wanna just give her a little bit of color on her cheeks. Just gonna use the booty blender to
booty bender
to okay, and you can see I took a little bit up on her temple, so if you just turn a little, you should be able to see that pretty, ooh, look at her shine, girl. Next, we're gonna go in with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. I love this stuff. I've been wearing it for a couple of days now. It's really, really pretty, lightweight. And I'm just gonna use a beauty blender. We're gonna dab a little bit out on her cheeks where she has some redness. You can also use your fingers. Fingers work amazing for blending out foundation. And we're just gonna put that on her cheek. A little bit on her little nose, and then one on the other cheek where she has redness, along with her chin. Keep your lips closed. And just some on her forehead where she also has some redness. Like I said, beauty blenders are good for foundation if you want to shear the foundation out. Yeah, you get less coverage with beauty blenders, so if you want full coverage, don't use a beauty blender. Ugly. Okay, she does have a little bit of redness under her nose there, up in her nostril. Okay, so you can see she's got a nice even white cover face. I did not put it all over her face, like I said, just on her areas of redness. I went back in with my finger and, you know, gave her a little more coverage in areas she needed. There's a little spot there. Let's take care of her. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little something with these eyebrows. So I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. I do use a pencil like this that's with Ardell.
Ew.
But this pencil is really, really nice, and so is the Ardell one. So we're just gonna give the little brows a little comb. We're gonna be using the Ardell dip brow. Now my baby has gray eyebrows. It's been very difficult to color match her brows.
It's been very difficult dealing with this strategy. Like,
it is, okay? So I hate you so much. Okay, so for her eyebrows, we're gonna use our Ardell dip brow, and I'm just gonna use the color dark brown. I know this color is a little too dark for her, so I'm gonna be very, very, very sparingly when I use this. I'm just gonna fill in some areas that she has, yeah, that need a little help.
Little help.
But I'm scared because this is dark. So I am wiping a lot of that off before I attempt to put any of this in her actual brow.
Your nails like digging into my jaw.
But acting like you're gonna run away from me.
You're hooking my jaw like a fish.
I could feel you trying to run away.
How?
I can feel it.
How? This looks weird with me having any type of brown.
I know, because I'm so used to being bald-headed with your eyebrow. This way, yes. Stop! Shut up. I hate how you stare at me when I'm doing your makeup.
That's why I'm trying to stare forward, like out.
Okay, so you can see I just filled that in just a tiny bit, just to give her a little more definition, especially in the inner corner, because let's be honest, she bald. If you don't behave. Stop it, Zeta. Let me see. Yeah, I'm trying to go back nobody's weave. Including your weave. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and because she, you know, is a busy girl.
That's a lie.
She has a little darkness under her eyes, so to brighten it up, we're gonna go ahead in with the NYX. And that is just the HD concealer in the color CW02. And just a tiny bit under her eyes just to brighten it up. I'll do one side so you can see the difference that gives. And I'm gonna just go in with my finger because it's just easier to do. Look up.
I like how you
underestimated what?
How dark my bags can be.
I don't have dark bags, so you'll get it from me.
I know.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue to blend that out, just to shear it out just a little bit with the sponge. And then you can see, go ahead and look in the camera. Hopefully you guys can see the difference in regards to how that just brightens her up. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side.
Look at I actually slept.
Just one side.
Just one side. Sleep with one eye open.
Excessive blinking.
Because you're like really close and I hate this.
Just hold still.
I'm trying.
How am I going to put mascara on you? How am I going to do that?
I can't. Now you're being petty.
I'm not. Make me pretty. You're ugly, I can't.
I look just like you.
Okay, so next I'm just going to do a little bit of contouring just on her forehead, on her cheeks, just to give her face some dimension back.
Give me actual color.
I'm going to be using this Ratchet Ass palette, but the colors I'm going to be concentrating on are from an LA Colors palette, so I will try to link that in the description box below. It literally is one of the best palettes ever, and it was like $6. So I'm just going to go ahead very lightly and follow her hairline. I just said a nipple. I was like,
nipple.
What? Okay, so you can see, and I just went ahead and warmed up her forehead a little bit, and now I'm just going to bring a little tiny bit on her jaw.
Oh yes, define.
And I'm also going to go ahead and do her actual contour. I do have a contouring video if you guys want to check that out. It's a quick, easy contour. She already knows. Turn sideways. Since we're wanting to keep this just age appropriate, it's just going to be the lightest contour ever in life. And I'm going to go in with a, turn my head sideways so people can see.
You're so aggressive.
I'm going to go ahead and just do, just wash over that with a clean brush just to sort of shear that out. And so you can already see from this side to the next, it just gives a little bit of color and it's not super, super crazy. You know, we don't want them walking around looking like little hookers. So just a little tiny color on her cheek. Now, if you don't want to do this, I mean, you don't have to do this step. I just think it gives a little bit of shape and dimension back into her face. But you can honestly skip this portion if you want and just go straight to blush. Okay, for color today for cheeks, we're gonna go ahead in with a NYX. And it's just a bright pink. I love using these bright pinks. This color is in color Peach. because these bright pinks look gorgeous on all skin tones. It doesn't matter if you are either really dark skinned or if you're, you know, super pasty like we are. This pink color looks gorgeous on everybody. So I'm just gonna go with a fluffy brush and just go ahead and have her smile like she was. Turn sideways so people can see. I'm just gonna give her a little color on her cheeks. You don't gotta laugh when you smile.
No, I'm laughing because my face.
All right, turn this way. It's so ugly.
What you talking about? I think I'm looking spicy.
I can't. And then I'm just gonna go back in with a clean fluffy brush and sort of deflect that a little bit. Just, you know, it's not as bright. Turn sideways so I can see. Oh, and I also forgot to do that contour on the side too. She likes to look skinny. Anywho. Okay, so now you can see that we're pretty much done with her face. We're gonna go ahead and just put on some mascara and a little bit of lip gloss, and we are gonna be about done. So if we were not messing around and I wasn't just like the foolishness that's going on in this video, this whole look will probably take maybe 10 minutes, if 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes.
Depends on how you want it. Like, you want to take your time.
So go ahead and I'm gonna have her put her own mascara on. Or you want me to try it?
We both know.
Me doing it for you?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Colosso. This is one of my favorite mascaras. Super affordable. It gives you lashes you never knew you had. Okay, so I need you to look up. And
yeah, that's not gonna work.
It's not,
it's not gonna work.
I swear, it's like doing surgery when I'm trying to put mascara on this child.
I just don't like things being close to my eyes.
To my eyes.
My eyes are watering again.
Oh God.
Give me a break.
Go ahead and look in the camera. You can already see the difference in regards to the mascara.
And the amount of tears in my eyes. That was really close. Actually, you like...
It didn't touch anything. Calm your tits.
Oh no. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
I hate it too.
I hate it.
Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and finish her off. You could do lower lash line mascara, but that is a damn struggle and we ain't doing that shit tonight.
Yes.
Okay, so next for her lip color, we're gonna go ahead and use the Vivid Matte Lip in the color Nude Thrill. These are more like a lip gloss. They don't really set matte. They just sort of give the lip a little color and a little shine. And these nudie colors look pretty on everybody as well. Go ahead and just diffuse it a little bit. That's sort of similar to her lip color. It just gives it a little more ba-bam. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and finish this look off with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray.
Oh.
Close your eye.
Ew.
I told you to close your mouth too.
Thank you, Petty.
Can you see? No. Don't touch it. Okay, so
I didn't expect you to talk right there.
okay, so this is the finished look. We just went ahead and set that with the Matte Set Finishing Spray by NYX, and that is it. There are several steps that you guys don't have to do. If you don't want to do a contour or anything like that, you could just do the blush. You know, customize it the way you guys want it. But I feel like even with this, she has a full face on, but it is, you know, it's not super over the top. And she look gorgeous. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also make sure to check out my other videos on my channel. And thank you guys for watching.
I have baby teeth.